Yeah, boy. Okay. Welcome to Game Dev Week Devlog number 9. It's just me this week. Me, Joe. It's Joe. I am Joe. And it's just me devlogging this week. And I think this week we're going to work on some sort of time system. So with that being said, let's get right to work. All right, like Joe said, the time system. That's what I'm going to try to work on this week, I guess. Pretty sure 1 hour is 1 second. And this cooldown is literally as long as an hour in game, which doesn't make sense. Let's see, I just started a timer, so we're gonna see if this minute that I just set up in game is actually a minute. Yep, it's about a minute. It is about a minute long, so that might be more realistic. 24 minutes to get through one day, and there's 30 days. So 24 times 30, 720 minutes to get through 1 month. So 1 season. Holy sh! That's 12 hours. 12 hours to get through a month. I don't think that's it. Alright, it needs to be 10 seconds long. Yeah, I think the 10 second per hour quota is pretty solid. I destroyed 1 stone without a pickaxe in less than a day. That seems real. Relatively real. I respect it. Yeah, buddy. Ouch, my knee. Why is the outline impacting all versions? Dude! Why do they have the same shader on? Can I remove the shader? I don't need it.
1 eternity later.
Stop me now. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Okay. That's it for today, boys. We're gonna... I don't know what we're gonna do now because I literally just did the time system, so... What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? I have no idea. That's a problem for tomorrow, me. Because it's Tuesday and I didn't game dev on Monday again. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure to absolutely destroy the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Share this video with your friend. And maybe even consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and have a good one. Oh, Jojo. Hey, come here. What? What?